young engineers. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dust Collector by Cormac. So we're going to actually start opening this. We need a knife. Okay, so we bring it off. We're actually going to start cutting this. We don't need this part. There we are. Okay, I think we're done it. So here we have the receipt and a letter from Conmark. I think that's how you pronounce it. We've got a little letter. We're going to read that in a second. And we've got a Conmark kind of thingy and a Conmark pen. A really nice pen. It is a blue pen. So a really nice blue pen from Conmark. So those are the things. So I'm gonna quickly check this letter. This is a Conmark. Dear customer, thank you for choosing Conmark. We hope you are very happy with your order. We would like to encourage you to leave good feedback for the advance taking your time, Conmark. Okay, so that's the thing. So we're gonna actually start opening this because why not? Whoa, this is massive. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. So first of all, we need to get the styrofoam out of the way. We're gonna be actually assembling this. Some kind of wooden metal plate. Guess it'll be fair to say. This tube, what is massive. By massive I mean it's bigger than my hand. So we're gonna have to get this. We've got something else in here. What is this? A Conmark bag for it. I think so. Yeah, that's massive. And let's see what else. We have a Conmark. What is this actually? Where? Okay, I have to actually check this out because I have no clue what this is. Okay. There's some kind of plastic bags. Okay. Now we're gonna have to actually try to get this one out. I'm gonna get the assistant to help me with this one because it's pretty heavy. So I'm gonna use my magic powers to get this out. So let's do it. Now we're done. So first you've got to just screw in the wheel, obviously, because the wheel is an important part because it's like a vacuum. So yeah, this is going to might take a bit because the wheels are pretty good. I'll finish it off in a second because why not? We will take a screw and we will put it through here. I'll keep it a bit loose and start screwing. Okay, so the wheels are screwed on. You can see, and now we're doing the next thing. We gotta add this. It is going to go onto here like this. And yeah, after my magic, it's done. So we done the wheels, then the sides, then the inside of the sides, then we put this on, then we put the bag, then we actually put the pipe on, and that was it. So here it is. It's a safety switch that you just go up like that. They've got the on and the off. So obviously it's off right now. So we're gonna actually just turn it on now and run a few tests. So, by my opinion, this was very good. We collected most of the dust, as you can tell. There was a whole patch of dust before I started, and now it's literally floor. So the value is very good of the thing. When we first started it, it was very good for all the vacuuming. We're going to use this for a while, and then we'll do one last review on it. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and likes so you never miss anything else on Young Engineers. Bye!